Hey guys, earphones here, and today I have another product to review for you guys. This is a pair of headphones, the BYZ K62s. They are meant for they're exercise headphones. I had to read there. 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz is the frequency range. 8mm speakers. 92 to 3 decibels, 60 ohm impedance, and it has a 135 centimeter cable length, and it is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Apparently there's a special edition. It comes with the 3 different size earbuds on the thing, and let's get into this. Open it up. I like the green color here. Nice green color. Yeah, it also comes with the channels. And I want to go around your ear like that. If you want to use them. That is at your own discretion. Oh. There we go. I cannot read any of that. Those numbers. It's probably just to say it's been inspected and checked off and all that. This one even comes with the This one even comes with the little cap to cover the protect the headphones, the headphone jack port thingy. Let's undo this little zip tie. I'm gonna hit myself in the face with that. Let's pull up. I don't have my phone on me. Interesting. Okie doke. Let's grab my tablet. Let's plug this in. I'm going to play. What song do I want to play? Where's my microphone? Let's put it in my ear and see what I think. Which one's left and right? This one's left. It's really comfortable. I like that. The noise is nice on it too. It doesn't have the sound stage of my other sport headphones, but these ones are a lot more comfortable than my normal sport headphones, and I really like the way they look. So they go into your ear kind of upside down. That's how they're supposed to go. The image on here says to put it into your ear and then it goes around your ear, and then you can also use the sport things. So let's grab one of those and put one on. I don't normally use these, but I only have one pair of headphones that has them, and I broke those a while ago. Alright, here we go, we got them on. They feel really nice. I like the way this looks. So these are meant for making it so that there's like almost no way they can come out of your ears. And they it does come with a little clip too, so you can clip it to your clothes. That just goes on by popping on in there, and then you push it in. I'm not going to put it on because I'm not planning on using it, at least not yet. And then it has a button right here, which is playing and pausing on my tablet. So that's nice. And then down the cable a little bit, there is an inline adjuster. I don't know if you can hear this. Let's turn this up. So you have a variable adjuster on here to adjust your music, and then it plays and pauses it. I am unable to test this on a Apple device, as I do not own one, but this is working on my Android device, which is nice. That's all I use. In my, let's see, what post is he going to be in? Probably my Twitter post. I'll post about this on Twitter a couple times. I'll put those down in the description. Maybe on my Facebook too. Telling what I think about them after I've used them a little bit. So far, I love the way they look. They look amazing. I love the screen too. I don't know if they offer other colors. I was sent these directly to review. So I haven't looked at the Amazon listing yet. If there is one, as I'm editing this, I'll put a little thing in the corner down here somewhere, like that, right there. Maybe. I love the way they look. I love the way they sound too. They have a nice sound stage. It's not as good of a sound stage as like my professional earphones, but that's to be expected. And they are small. They're headphones, not over-ear headphones. So overall, I love these, and I can expect I'm going to use these a lot on my my bike rides and maybe running if I get back into that. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.